Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and we are looking for houses for you again. As I told you, you can buy a house not being in a city, and that's why I'm doing these videos for you. This is street and we drove by, it's bus stop next to the house, which is really convenient, and it's kind of private, but based on the price and condition outside, I'm expecting disaster. Let's see if I'm right or not. Let's go in and see what's going on. We need to do the porch, which is not really a big deal. Somebody's living here, which is kind of cool. And do you realize we are in 2021 and we live in the United States, and some people just choose to live like this? I don't know, guys. So this is, do you have a flashlight by any chance, if you can assist me? Yay! Barely. But we can see that it's... I was expecting much worse. Let's put it this way.
This is not bad.
Okay.
Look at the stairs, it's beautiful.
Yeah, the stairs are beautiful. Okay, let's
The
see.
kitchen is not so much.
And it's really strange how they did it. It's kind of like two
There's
kitchens.
probably a plumbing problem leaking from the second bathroom, from the upstairs bathroom.
And then just decided that they're gonna do two of them. Okay.
Wow. What is this, a second kitchen or something?
Huh? Yeah, it's really big countertop. This is a pen. So that's how big is countertop. This is my hand. Pretty funny. Okay.
This is not bad, actually.
And we're looking in the bathroom here. Yep.
It's gonna be a bathroom, maybe?
Yep. It is a bathroom.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, I was absolutely wrong based on the outside condition.
And this has been on market for a while.
We're gonna figure out reason why. If it has been on market for a while.
Property, and they want the owner to buy first, and then they want investment.
Yep, I'm good.
It's not a bathroom, it's a roof.
Okay. But look at this balcony. Yes, there's a view. And porch. It's nice. If you have a bedroom here and you do a master bathroom here, look how nice it is. And you need to do with the roof. Okay. So it's one bedroom downstairs. So it's 3-bedroom total. But this is pretty big room. I'm sorry guys, you cannot see it. This is 2 big rooms upstairs and 1 downstairs. So it's 3-bedroom house. Oh my god, if I'm gonna kill myself doing this, I hope you're gonna remember me. But it's pretty nice. See all these details? This is huge kitchen slash, or you can do this kitchen and this is gonna be living room and this is gonna be another room. So we're talking about 3 or 4 bedrooms, right? Oh, you found another floor? Does it have another bedroom? That's interesting. Where did you find the floor? Where are you? Oh, this is a dark room that I didn't go to. Oh, no way.
Yes.
I'm not going there.
There's 2 rooms over here.
Okay.
Well, if you do it right.
If you do.
Be careful.
My
it's
God,
very narrow.
look at these stairs. Somebody who living there was really fit. Look at the stairs. My God. Okay. You can do one more room. One more room. So we are talking about 5 bedroom.
Well, this can be considered one room because of the one window.